This video will demonstrate the Surface Patrol feature in MACE. This capability allows the user to quickly and easily place a surface platform into a random patrol mode where it is confined to a body of water. The platform can recognize when it is approaching shore and will adjust its path accordingly. The Surface Patrol feature is useful for building pattern of life within coastal areas. So we're going to add the coastal patrol boat to the mission area. And the feature can be accessed by going to the Entity Controls ribbon and going to the Intent State and hitting the down arrow. And you'll select the Random Destination button beside that. You'll notice that his bar in front of him has turned green. This is an indication that he is in his random destination or patrol mode. The mission is being run at 8 times speed, and this video is being played at another 15 times speed to give you a better visualization of this capability. The blue dots being left behind the platform are actually a history of his route. It's useful for seeing how this algorithm is working.